Welcome back. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can save your animations into a video file. So let's quickly get into the coding. So this is basically the same animation that we created in our previous video. As you can see, this is the same animation. So what I want to do is I want this animation to be exported into a video file. So for that, the first thing that I need to do is I need to declare a variable. I'm gonna name it count and initialize the value at 4000. Now you can use any number to begin with, but I highly suggest that you use a 4-digit number, because sometimes, I don't know the exact reason, but sometimes it kind of creates some sort of problem. So I highly suggest that you use a 4-digit number, just like I've used here. So I've used 4000, and now after initializing the count variable, I need to come down inside of our draw function, and I'm going to be writing a function. I'm going to be using a function called save frame. So this is the function that is going to help us create our video. So this save function takes in a parameter that is the name of the file, the file that you want to save. So you just need to follow me on this. So this is basically naming our file, naming each frame of our video. So I'm gonna follow this pattern. So inside of a D directory, inside our D drive, I want a directory or a folder called ball, and inside of that directory I want to save these animation frames. So you need to follow this order, you need to follow this pattern, D or whatever other drive you want to save, and then the folder that you want to save the frames inside of, and then plus the count variable, and then the format of our frame. So for now I just want to use the PNG format because it gives us a little higher quality, and after doing so we need to increase the count by 1. Now basically what this is doing is this is saving each frame of our animations as a PNG file. And if I run it, so as you can see, the animation has got a little slow because of this application having to export each frame of our animation as a separate PNG file. And if I stop it, and if I go to the ball d/ball directory, as you can see, these are the frames I've got. These are each frame of our animations, and now I need to use these frames to create our video files. For that I will go to the tools and movie maker, and then I'll choose the folder. I choose the directory that we've just saved our frames into. Now I've saved it inside of our balls. It is already here, so you need to select your directory and then open. Then after doing so, you need to click on the create movie, and you want to save it. You want to name the file. So in this case I want to name the file as ballmovie.mov, and once you save it, you can see that it is being processed, and you need to wait for it to complete. So it is just completed, and if I go inside of that ball directory, I'll get this ballmovie.mov file, which is the animation video that we've just created. So this is how you export your animations into a video file in processing. So I think this is enough for this video, and in our next video we will come up with something more interesting to do. Until then, happy coding!